2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, CD player, bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.